Shalom, everybody. Out here taking care of my animals. If you ain't never had chickens, them light Brahmas, hey, light Brahmas, order them. I'm not a big fan of them salmon Faveroles, but you know, I got 2 of them and they doing all right. But them light Brahmas, them white ones, best chickens I ever had. So I'm out here starting with a garden. I don't know if you can see my sweet potato row right there, and I got some more stuff out there. But anyhow, keeping a garden ain't as complicated as a lot of people try to make it out to be. You plant, you fertilize, chicken mess, goat mess if you got it. You water, sunlight, keep the weeds out. That's all there is to it. You just stay on top of it. The main thing is you put a little bit of time in every day. Hour, 2 hours a day. Get up early in the morning before it gets real hot, or late in the evening before it gets too dark, and after it's hot. You just put in a little bit of time every day. It's the same thing with your relationship with your wife, men. You put time in every day. You do something special every day. It's the same thing with your relationship with the Creator. You put time in every day. You do something special every day. There's not a big secret to doing good in all these things. People make it complicated, try to make you jump through all kind of hoops. All you got to do is put a little bit of time in every day and do something special every day. I love you. May Yahweh bless you. Shalom.